Hello guys, this is Edward. Welcome to Civil TV Checks. This channel is intended for civil students and those that are doing their own construction projects. Okay guys, today we are going to look at material calculation of M20 grade concrete. Okay, there are so many types of concrete grades. There is M10, M15, M20, M25, M35, etc. But today guys, we are going to look at M20 calculation of cement, sand, and aggregate. Okay, here we go. The concrete grade is depicted as M20. M, like here, M means mix, and 20 means characteristic strength of concrete after 28 days, depicted as 20 Newton per mm squared. Okay guys, here the ratio of M20 is 1 to 1.5 to 3, meaning 1 is cement, as you can see, 1.5 is sand, and 3 is aggregate or crushed stones. Then the volume of concrete, for example, we are going to take 1 cubic meter. Like here you can see 1 cubic meter or 1 m cubic, which is the wet volume. This is the wet volume. Now we need to change this wet volume into dry volume because we get dry material from the market. Now guys, here when we want to change, we need to use 1.54 or 1.57. As you can see here, it's the range 1.54 to 1.57, because the wet volume increases by 1.54, 1.57 more into dry volume. Okay guys, here we are going to get 1 cubic meter multiplied by 1.57, which is equal to 1.57 cubic meter. Okay, now for cement, we start with cement. When you want to start calculating, you first need to know the volume of the concrete you are calculating material for. Know the volume of the concrete you are calculating material for. In this instance, we are calculating material for 1 cubic meter of concrete. So the volume will be 1, meaning here, the 1 is cement. For cement, we are going to get cement 1 divided by sum of ratio, which is 5.5. The sum of ratio is here. Sum of ratio is here. 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, which is equal to 5.5. So here we'll take 1, which is this one for cement, divide by 5.5, which is the sum of ratio here, shown here. So this multiplied by the dry volume, 1.57, which is equal to 0.285 cubic meter. Now from there, we need to get the volume of cement in kg. The volume of cement in kg, we are going to get 0.285 multiplied by 1440, which is the density of cement. The density of cement is 1440, which will give us 411 kilograms. Now guys, since we have bags of cement sold on the market as 50 kg, we are going to get these 411 kilograms divide by 50. 411 divided by 50 kg, which will give us the number of bags required for 1 cubic meter of M20 grade strength, which will be 8 bags of cement. Okay guys, that is for cement. Now coming to sand. Sand, we need to get the volume. The volume here, the representation of sand is 1.5. Here you can see in the ratio 1 to 1.5 to 3. This is cement, this is sand, and that is aggregate. So we are going to get 1.5 divided by 5.5 multiplied by the dry volume, which is 1.57, which is equal to 0.471 cubic meter. That is the quantity of sand. Now we come to aggregate. Aggregate or crushed stone. Aggregate or crushed stone. Here the volume will do as we've been doing there in sand and cement. Here the depiction magnitude or the value for aggregate is 3. Here the 3 here for aggregate. We said this is cement, sand, and aggregate. Now for aggregate we are going to get 3 divided by the sum of ratio 5.5 multiplied by the dry volume, which is 1.57, which is equal to 0.856 cubic meters. Remember guys, this is for 1 cubic. So if you have 20 cubic or 100 cubic, you can multiply this, as long as you are using the same ratio and the characteristic strength of M20, you multiply by that number or the quantity of your work. If it is 100 cubes, you do 0.856 multiplied by 100. If it is 50 cube, you do 0.85 multiplied by 50. That is the formula, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because there are so many. If you don't like, you will miss videos that are coming in future, because every week I will be uploading a video for you. Thank you guys, and be safe.